Good morning, gang. RaceCarRichie. I'm back at it. Today's the day. I am getting my car tuned. So it's actually going to be over Chameleon Tuning in Bohemia. This guy's Chris doing it. Never had a car tuned before, so we're going to see how it goes. But I just left the storage unit. I just had it top off, or I changed out the rear diff and the transfer case fluid with some was that Redline shockproof stuff. Pretty much buttoned up everything that needs to be buttoned up for dyno. There's still obviously odds and ends that I have to do, cosmetic stuff. So I'm headed over to Brian's now. We're gonna go grab his trailer. We're gonna go load up my car. I have to put a car cover on because it's raining out. It is basically downpouring and my car is not really waterproof. So yeah, stick around and enjoy the freaking video, guys. It's gonna be a good one. We're either gonna go or blow. So let's let's make 800 today. Come on. All right, pulling up to Brian's now. He's got his nice new trailer. We put a winch and a couple other goodies on it. And yeah, man, we're gonna go pick up my car in this downpouring rain and get soaked. Let's get it. All right, just got the car in the trailer. We're gonna go ahead and strap it down. I'm gonna strap it through the car cover. That way the cover stays on, because no hood, and it's not really too waterproof, so. All right, we're headed. That's it, we're going to the shop. Got Incognito in the back. See him in the mirror? There he is. There he is. Yeet, yeet, boys. We're gonna go make 20 horsepower to the back left wheel. Brake drive shafts and hearts today. That's what we're doing. Got Brian. Brian, say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Say hi to you two people. Hi, hi you two people. Yeah, so hopefully we can do what we gotta do. The nitrous bottle's filled. Everything's good. Oh, that's where that road comes out. So that would have worked. Would have been a shortcut. Would have been perfect. All right, guys, we'll catch back up when we get to the shop. We're almost there. 9 minutes. 9 minutes. Not go any more than that. You're gonna hit your bumper. You should turn the wheel before you start driving. So just go around the bushes over. Oh, you even hit it.
Okay, we're in.
We're in, boys. All right, be right back. getting it at the dyno. Just doing some simple adjustments right now. Basically, you know, whatever tuners tuning fish, tuners, I don't know. Let's get it. Let's make some power. Well, let's just say there's going to be a part 2. So he was just about to do his first pull and the car completely shut off. It's not a mechanical problem, it's something electrical. We believe the crank sensor took a crap, so instead of filming, I was trying to diagnose the car. We figured it's a crank sensor. Obviously, I really don't know this guy. He did help me a little bit figure out, you know, what's going on, but there was no signal. The injectors weren't firing. The spark plugs were not getting spark. So something was telling the ECU to not do that. It's most likely a crank sensor. So me and Brian had to push the car off the dyno. We got it up on the trailer, brought it back to the storage unit, pushed it into the storage unit, and that's where it's gonna sit until it's not raining and I can not be soaking wet and be more comfortable and trying to fix this mullet of a car. So I'm going to diagnose it later on this week and double confirm what sensor has gone bad. Then I'm gonna go out and get one and go ahead and replace it, and then I'm gonna have to set up another dyno day. But just to let you know, spitting numbers out, okay? I just gave this guy $800. $800 for 2 hours on the dyno, and a sensor went bad. And I didn't even make any power but to 3,500 RPM when he was just dialing in the main, you know, the main tables and everything like that. So yeah, and then I have to go back, and hopefully it's not going to be nearly as much. Hopefully I'll only need 1 hour of his time, and that'll be it. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm going to be back as soon as possible. But again, guys, this stuff's really expensive, and I don't make a lot of money to where I could just go out and do this. So it might be a week, might be 2. You know, I really don't know what's going to be in between. You guys can always support me on Patreon to help out this build and things like that, and I can get it done quicker, and then we can all go to the racetrack together, and I can have RaceCarRichie events, and it'll be insane. Thanks for watching.